In this tutorial, we will learn how to automatically generate a login page in Twidget. First, we'll start with our user's authentication table, which contains a single entry of a user who has signed up. Now, let's create a login page that will allow us to store users' login information in the browser. To begin, we need to create a login endpoint. Navigate to the API page and click on Create Endpoint. Here, select Authentication, then choose Login and click Create. And just like that, we've automatically generated a login endpoint. Next, let's move to our Pages tab and create a page. In the options, select Authentication. In the Login section, click on the Endpoint drop-down and select our newly created login endpoint. This will tell the page where to send the login data. Now, select the Login option and click Create. Let's open our login page. By default, the login page will feature two inputs, an email input and a password input. Additionally, you will find two message blocks, one to display error messages and the other to confirm successful logins. There's also a login button that users will click to initiate the login process. On the page, multiple variables control which messages are shown, as well as keep track of whether the login is in process. Furthermore, a function has been generated for you, which triggers upon submitting the form. This function will send the input data to the login endpoint and store the authentication token received from the server in local storage. If any issues arise, it will show an error message. Otherwise, a success message will inform the user that the login was successful. Now let's preview the page and give the login process a try. Great news! The login was successful, and the authentication token is securely stored in local storage. This allows you to authenticate your user throughout your site. To enhance user experience, consider adding a Navigate to command, so users are redirected after a successful login. In summary, we've demonstrated how to generate a login page effortlessly using Twidget, enabling secure user access to your site.